Above a sleepy town, stars shimmer, casting a gentle light over the peaceful night. Ramadan lights glow softly, adorning houses in a warm, inviting embrace. The town is a haven of stillness, where tranquility reigns under the watchful stars. Each home radiates a sense of calm, its lights a beacon of peace in the night. The air is filled with a quiet joy, as the town slumbers peacefully. In this serene tableau, time seems to pause, celebrating the simple beauty of the moment. In the quiet of night, Shahan slumbers peacefully, embraced by the soft glow of a nightlight. He clutches Mr. Chubby, his faithful teddy bear, as dreams carry him away. The room is still, filled with a sense of gentle, calm, and cozy darkness. The soft blanket rises and falls gently with each breath, a silent rhythm of peaceful rest. The nightlight casts a gentle glow, guarding Shahan's sweet dreams until morning. Under the cloak of night, Tintintin Sahur emerges, his drumming echoing through the silent town street. His silly voice breaks the stillness as he sings out, "Tun tun tun Sahur. Wake up, everyone. Sahur time." Each step resonates through the night, his pop 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 shoes marking his path. The echoes of his drumming and singing awaken the sleeping town, a joyful ruckus in the quiet night. Shahan awakens in his bed, rubbing his eyes as he stirs from sleep. A strange sound pierces the morning calm, jolting Shahan from his slumber. Confused and curious, Shahan asks, "Who's making that funny tun-tun-tun noise?" Mommy responds gently, "That's tun-tun-tun Sahur, the funny drum man who wakes everyone up for Sahur." Shahan glances towards his mother, curiosity sparkling in his eyes as he listens to the explanation. Shahan's eyes blaze with youthful excitement as he bursts from his bed. Shahan exclaims, "Mommy, I want to go with tun-tun-tun Sahur too." Shahan's enthusiasm fills the room. Mommy listens attentively. Shahan bursts from the house, his face radiant with joy, ready to embrace the festive morning. He spots Tun-Tun-Tun Sahur already in the street, eagerly awaiting the celebration. Shahan and Tun-Tun-Tun Sahur join in a joyful chorus. Tun-Tun-Tun Sahur, Shahan Sahur, Tun-Tun Sahur, happy Sahur time. Their voices blend in cheerful harmony, echoing the spirit of Sahur through the town. As dusk settles, a town street awakens with lights flickering on in the cozy houses. Faces appear in windows, a symphony of laughter and applause directed at Shahan and Tun-Tun-Tun Sahur. Shahan and Tun-Tun-Tun Sahur bask in the warmth of the community's adulation. The moon hangs high, a celestial smile mirroring the joy below. The street is alive with the sounds of celebration. Shahan and Tun-Tun-Tun Sahur exchange a knowing glance, united in this moment of shared triumph. Shahan returns to the comforting scent of a suhoor meal, lovingly prepared. A chilled mango milkshake and his favorite paratha sit waiting on the kitchen table. Content and weary, Shahan whispers his plans. "Tomorrow, I'll wake up the whole town with my tun-tun-tun Sahur." Mr. Chubby, his cherished companion, wiggles his ears in silent agreement, promising shared mischief.